Want more energy, better immunity, and a healthier body? Today, I'm sharing the top 10 superfoods you should eat every day. These foods are packed with nutrients that can boost your health, help with weight loss, and even make you feel younger. Stick around. Number 7 will surprise you. Blueberries. First up, blueberries. These tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants, which fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Studies show they can improve brain function and even lower the risk of heart disease. Add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or just snack on them raw. Spinach. Next, spinach, one of the healthiest leafy greens. It's rich in iron, vitamin K, and fiber, which support digestion and bone health. You can blend it in smoothies, sauté it with garlic, or toss it in salads for an easy nutrient boost. Avocados. Who loves avocados? They're packed with healthy monounsaturated fats which keep you full and support glowing skin. Plus, they're great for heart health. Add them to salads, smoothies, or just eat them with a sprinkle of salt. Almonds. Number 5. Almonds. These nuts are high in protein, vitamin E, and magnesium, which help with muscle recovery and stress relief. A handful a day can curb cravings and even lower bad cholesterol. Chia seeds. Don't underestimate chia seeds. Just 1 tablespoon has 5 g of fiber, which keeps your gut healthy and helps with weight loss. Mix them in water, yogurt, or make chia pudding for a quick breakfast. Manuka honey. Here's the surprising one, Manuka honey. Unlike regular honey, it has powerful antibacterial properties that can help with sore throats and even wound healing. Add a spoonful to your tea or oatmeal for an immune boost. Broccoli. Broccoli. This veggie is loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and sulforaphane, a compound that may help fight cancer. Steam it, roast it, or toss it in stir-fries for maximum benefits. Sweet potatoes. Next up, sweet potatoes. They're rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A and supports eye health. Plus, they're a great complex carb for steady energy. Bake them, mash them, or make healthy fries. Dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate, 70% or higher, is a superfood. It's packed with flavonoids that improve heart health and boost mood. Just 1 small square a day can satisfy cravings while keeping you healthy. So there you go, 10 superfoods you should eat every day for better health. Which one are you adding to your diet first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more nutrition tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you in the next one. Stay healthy!